Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about how to use a general power of appointment. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. General power of appointment. I did a will signing with a lovely couple today, and the gentleman of the couple was recently sort of put in charge of trying to figure out how to organize some trusts that were created from his parents passing away. So there are these trusts that have been created, and one of his siblings was thinking about disclaiming or just like walking away from their assets because they didn't know who they were going to go to when they died, and they not having that option or that choice sort of put them in a position where they didn't want to take the assets. And I told him, whoa, hang on a minute. I think that everybody can do what they want, because my guess is there is something called a general power of appointment inside of the trust. This is something that is commonly put inside of trusts, and it's put in there to do exactly what this person is trying to accomplish in this example that I just gave you. What the general power of appointment really allows you to do is to direct where assets that are in an irrevocable trust that have been left to you as a beneficiary go when you are gone, right? So for example, let's say you are someone's child. We're all someone's child, I guess. In effect, your parents created a trust. When they died, right, you became the beneficiary of that trust, and the trust became irrevocable. This is important because when the trust becomes irrevocable, then you as the beneficiary or the trustee, nobody has the ability to change the downward distributions of that trust. So if you do nothing and you die, then those assets in that trust will go wherever your parents have directed. Often this is to children, for example. But if you don't want the assets to go to your children, or you don't have children, or you want them to go somewhere else, then you might be stuck, or so you might think. That's where the general power of appointment comes in. If your parents wanted to give you the ability to give those assets to whomever you want, absent a few exceptions, we're not going to get into that, it's not important, it's lawyer stuff, then you can exercise this power of appointment, and you can essentially say, when I die, if there are any assets left in this irrevocable trust that were assigned to me as the beneficiary, I would like them to be directed over here to these people or to this person. Hopefully that makes sense. There's one more step though. You can't just say like, I'm exercising my power of appointment. Anytime I think about this, by the way, I think about Michael Scott in The Office when he's broke or something's happening, and he thinks he needs bankruptcy, and he just walks out into the room and he says, I declare bankruptcy. It doesn't work like that. You don't just declare it. So to exercise your general power of appointment, again, you need to look to the trust document. Typically, it will tell you where this power of appointment needs to be exercised. 9 times out of 10, or 97 times out of 100, the power is going to be exercised in your will. So the will is going to say, I am expressing this general power of appointment. I'm exercising this general power of appointment in favor of this place, your trust, your kids, whomever it is that you want to send these things to. And then when you die, they'll take a look at the will. The power of appointment will be exercised, and those assets will move where you direct them to go. That, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, is general power of appointment, and it is how you can exercise that appointment if you so choose. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. It was something that was asked earlier. It's something that's come up a few times with some clients, and if you see that in your trust or someplace, You may just wonder what that is. And if you are the beneficiary of a trust, first of all, good for you. You may want to exercise that power. You may want those assets to go where you want them to go when you're gone. All right, that is it. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, leave me a comment or ask a question. I'm happy to sort of clarify. If it did make sense, that's great. And you like it, and you like us, and you like me, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to hear some more stuff. And if you have specific questions about estate planning or probate and you'd like to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.